Welcome to our channel. Today, we're diving into the kitchens of some of your favorite celebrities to bring you 5 mouth-watering recipes you can try at home. We're talking about dishes so good, they'll have you shouting from the rooftops. Get ready to unleash your inner culinary rock star as we unlock the secrets behind these celebrity favorites. Chrissy Teigen, the queen of snarky Twitter comebacks and drool-worthy food photos, is absolutely nailing it in the kitchen. Her culinary skills are just as impressive as her social media presence. This ain't no sad desk lunch, folks. We're talking about a meal that will elevate your lunch game to gourmet levels. This spicy miso pasta is a flavor explosion that'll leave you craving more. It's a dish that combines the best of both worlds, spice and umami. Chrissy's known for her bold flavors, and this dish is no exception. It's a testament to her knack for creating unforgettable meals. We're talking a symphony of savory miso, fiery chili flakes, and a touch of sweetness that'll make your taste buds sing. Each ingredient plays a crucial role in this culinary masterpiece. It's the kind of pasta dish that deserves a mic drop, and believe me, you'll be licking the plate clean. It's that irresistible. First, we start with perfectly cooked pasta. This is the foundation of our dish, and it needs to be just right. None of that mushy nonsense. We need pasta that holds its shape and texture. We need a good bite, something to stand up to the powerful sauce. The pasta should be al dente with a bit of firmness. Next, we hit it with the good stuff, the miso paste. This ingredient is the heart and soul of the dish. This umami bomb is the backbone of the dish, adding a depth of flavor that'll blow your mind. It's what makes this pasta stand out. But hold on, we're just getting started. There's more to this dish than just miso. In goes a healthy dose of chili flakes because we like it hot, hot, hot. The heat adds an exciting kick to the dish. And to balance out all that heat, a touch of sweetness, just a whisper to round out the flavors. This balance is key to the dish's success. Now listen up, because this is crucial. The cooking process needs your full attention. Don't even think about overcooking those noodles. Overcooked pasta can ruin the entire dish. We want them al dente with a bit of bite. This texture is essential for the perfect pasta experience. And when you toss them in that glorious sauce, make sure every single strand is coated in that spicy, savory goodness. The sauce should cling to the pasta, enveloping it in flavor. This is a dish that's meant to be shared, but let's be honest, you might want to keep it all to yourself. It's that good. Sharing is caring, but sometimes you just can't help but indulge. So grab your ingredients, put on your chef's hat, and get ready to cook up a storm with Chrissy Teigen's spicy miso pasta. It's time to unleash your inner chef. Trust me, your taste buds will thank you. This dish is a celebration of flavors that will leave you completely satisfied. Next up, we're rolling with the Dogg himself, Snoop Dogg. Get ready to experience a culinary adventure like no other. This ain't your grandma's fried chicken, folks. It's a modern twist that brings a whole new level of flavor and excitement. Snoop's putting his own spin on this classic dish, and let me tell you, it's off the chain. You won't believe how good it is until you try it. We're talking crispy, juicy, finger-licking good fried chicken that'll have you saying, faux shizzle in every bite. It's the kind of dish that brings people together. Now, Snoop's cookbook, From Crook to Cook, is a culinary masterpiece, and this fried chicken recipe is the star of the show. It's packed with recipes that are as fun to make as they are to eat. He's taking this soul food staple to the next level with a secret blend of herbs and spices that'll make your taste buds sing. It's a symphony of flavors in every bite. We start with tender, juicy chicken, seasoned to perfection with Snoop's signature spice blend. This blend is what sets his fried chicken apart from the rest. Then we're gonna dredge it in a buttermilk bath that'll make it oh so tender. This step is crucial for that melt-in-your-mouth texture. And the breading? Forget about it. It's a crispy, crunchy coating that'll have you saying gin and juice with every bite. It's the perfect balance of texture and flavor. Now the key to perfect fried chicken is all in the frying. You need to get that oil just right. We're talking about a hot oil bath that'll give you that golden brown crust while keeping the chicken juicy and flavorful. It's a delicate dance of heat and timing. And don't even think about using a soggy paper towel to drain that chicken. That's a rookie mistake. We're talking about a wire rack, my friends, to let that excess oil drip off and keep that crust crispy. This step ensures your chicken stays perfect. This fried chicken is so good, it'll make you want to break out your best dance moves. It's food that makes you feel good. It's the perfect dish for a party, a picnic, or just a night in with your favorite people. It's versatile and always a crowd pleaser. So grab your ingredients, put on your best Snoop Dogg playlist, and get ready to cook up a storm with this legendary fried chicken recipe. It's an experience you won't forget, and a taste you'll crave again and again. Chapter 3. Meghan Markle's Zucchini Bolognese. Fit for a Duchess. Hold on to your hats, folks, because we're about to enter the royal kitchen. Meghan Markle, the Duchess of Sussex, is known for her healthy eating habits, and this Zucchini Bolognese is a testament to her love for delicious, nutritious food. It's a lighter, brighter take on the classic Italian dish that's packed with flavor and good-for-you ingredients. Meghan's all about keeping things fresh and flavorful, and this Bolognese is no exception. We're ditching the heavy meat sauce and swapping it out for a vibrant, veggie-packed sauce that's bursting with flavor. Trust me, you won't even miss the meat. The star of the show here is the zucchini. We're grating it up nice and fine so it practically melts into the sauce, adding a touch of sweetness and a whole lot of texture. And to give it that rich, savory depth, we're adding in some umami-rich mushrooms. Now, we're not talking about bland, boring vegetables here. We're gonna saute those bad boys in olive oil with garlic, onions, and a pinch of red pepper flakes for a touch of heat. And to bring it all together, we're adding in some juicy, ripe tomatoes. This Bolognese is so good it'll have you feeling like royalty. It's the perfect dish for a cozy night in, a light and healthy lunch, or even a fancy dinner party. So grab your ingredients, put on your best tiara, and get ready to cook up a storm with Meghan Markle's Zucchini Bolognese. Chapter 4. Blake Lively's Cheddar Bacon Ranch Dip. Gossip Girl approved. Get ready to party because Blake Lively's Cheddar Bacon Ranch Dip is here to steal the show. This ain't your average dip, folks. This is a flavor explosion that'll have you going back for seconds, thirds, and maybe even fourths. It's creamy, it's cheesy, it's bacony, and it's absolutely irresistible. Blake Lively, the queen of effortless style and culinary prowess, knows how to throw a party, and this dip is the life of the party. It's the perfect appetizer to feed a crowd, and it's so easy to make, even a kitchen novice can handle it. We start with a base of creamy, tangy, sour cream and mayonnaise. Then, we're gonna hit it with a triple threat of flavor, sharp cheddar cheese, crispy bacon, and a generous helping of ranch seasoning. And because we like things extra flavorful, we're adding in some green onions and a pinch of garlic powder. Now this dip is best served cold, so make sure to give it a good chill in the fridge before serving. And when you're ready to party, just grab your favorite chips, crackers, or veggies, and get ready to dip, dip, dip. This dip is so good, it'll have you saying, "Oh my gosh," with every bite. It's the perfect combination of creamy, cheesy, and bacony goodness that'll have everyone asking for the recipe. So grab your ingredients, put on your party playlist, and get ready to cook up a storm with Blake Lively's Cheddar Bacon Ranch Dip. Chapter 5. Oprah Winfrey's Turkey Burger. You get a burger. And you get a burger. Let's be honest, when Oprah speaks, we listen. Her words have a way of resonating with us, making us feel inspired and motivated. And when Oprah cooks, we pay attention. Her culinary skills are just as impressive as her ability to inspire. Oprah Winfrey, the queen of inspiration and all things delicious, is sharing her secret to a healthy and flavorful meal, the turkey burger. This isn't just any turkey burger, it's Oprah's special recipe. This ain't your dry, bland turkey burger, folks. It's a culinary delight that will change your perception of turkey burgers forever. This is a juicy, flavorful masterpiece that'll have you rethinking everything you thought you knew about turkey burgers. One bite and you'll be hooked. Oprah's all about balance, enjoying delicious food while still taking care of your health. She believes in indulging without compromising on nutrition, and this turkey burger is the perfect example of that philosophy. It's a harmonious blend of taste and health. It's packed with lean protein, fresh veggies, and a whole lot of flavor. Every ingredient is chosen with care to ensure maximum taste and nutrition. We start with ground turkey, but we're not stopping there. The magic lies in the details. We're gonna add in some finely chopped veggies, onions, peppers, maybe even some zucchini to keep things moist and flavorful. These veggies add a burst of freshness and texture. And to really amp up the taste, we're adding in some herbs and spices, garlic powder, onion powder, maybe even a dash of smoked paprika. These spices elevate the flavor profile to a whole new level. Now the key to a juicy turkey burger is to not overcook it. Overcooking can dry it out, so timing is crucial. We're talking about a nice sear on the outside and a juicy, flavorful inside. The perfect balance of textures. And don't even think about serving this burger on a plain, boring bun. The bun is just as important as the patty. We're talking about a whole wheat bun, toasted to perfection, and piled high with your favorite toppings. Think fresh lettuce, ripe tomatoes, and maybe even a slice of avocado. This turkey burger is so good, it'll have you saying, "You get a burger, and you get a burger." Everyone will want a piece of this deliciousness. And you get a burger. It's a crowd pleaser, perfect for any gathering. It's the perfect meal for a quick and healthy dinner, a backyard barbecue, or even a light and satisfying lunch. Versatile and delicious, it fits any occasion. So grab your ingredients, put on your favorite Oprah episode, and get ready to cook up a storm with Oprah Winfrey's turkey burger. It's more than just a meal, it's an experience. Celebrity cooking complete. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more delicious recipes and celebrity insights. We've journeyed through the kitchens of the stars, and now it's your turn to shine. Let us know in the comments which recipe you're excited to try. Until next time, happy cooking.